How to pair Sudo Earbuds. In this video, I'll show you how to pair Sudo Earbuds. So to get started, go ahead and remove the earbuds from the charging case. So this automatically puts them into pairing mode. You'll hear on or ready to pair. And then after that, check for the protective film. So if it's your first time using them, make sure to remove the red protective film from the charging connectors. This ensures the earbuds power on completely and properly. Next thing is to enable Bluetooth on your device. So if you're using iOS, head over to settings and head over to Bluetooth. If you're using Android, go to settings, connections, and then Bluetooth. For Windows 10, click Start, Settings, Devices, and head over to Bluetooth and other services. And then for Mac OS, go to System Preferences and then head over to Bluetooth. Now after that, select your Sudio earbuds. So look for your Sudio model in the list of available Bluetooth devices and tap to connect. And that is how you can basically pair Sudio earbuds.